Alrighty guys, so today I'm working on a special build. There's a little bit of backstory, so everyone buckle in. So the reason there's PC built here, I don't know if you can actually see it, but the reason there's some of that there is, as you can tell by the title, I built this PC for really cheap because I bought secondhand parts that were actually brand new. And I had to make sure they work. So I did a pre-build outside the case test, and I had to wait for my case to get here. So that's why some of that currently sits together. On with that, we're using the ROG Strix B450 Gaming. B450F Gaming actually. That's because I'm using the Ryzen 2400G. We have the old 1070 from my first computer because I got an upgrade to a 1080 Ti, so this sucker's going in this build. I have 16 gigs of DDR4 Trident Zs at 3000 megahertz. We have our Corsair CX 750M. This was also out because I lost the box and I was testing the motherboard. And then I have a 1 terabyte hard drive that we'll throw in there for frame's sake, I guess. And then some SATA cables. And then we're using our glorious TG Fractal Design Meshify C. I'm sweating, Jerry.
Well, it's already on as high as it can go, so I guess you're gonna have to live with it.
You know what this reminds me of, Jerry? Last time. I think I was also wearing the same shirt, so that's kind of awkward.
Really?
Yeah.
It's your PC building shirt.
It is. It's because, you know, gotta build them PCs with strength.
Swolage.
Knowledge. You take your knowledge, you put it in slot 2 and slot 4. If you don't know this, you probably shouldn't be building a PC. I wonder how pissed everyone would be if I just threw this box. Just chucks the GPU. Oh, I'd get so much hate. I meant the actual GPU. Jerry, you throw that, you owe me $420. Cause? No? My lifeline? Thank you. Look, Jerry, I found the screws.
Have you ever had a dream that you want him to do you so much you could do anything? Is just one planet in the galaxy. The ant doesn't know that there's more than the she just keeps walking. He doesn't know that part of the human race is sort some may not have been discovered.
Is it plugged in?
Yep, it is. I had switched the reset switch and the power switch. So if I hit reset, it would have started the PC. And the power button was the reset button. Alright, first boot, here we go. Well, first boot. But I know she boots. I know she do what she do, but now it's whole. Now it is pure, and it's running, which is great. Alrighty guys, so as it currently sits, you can see it both here and in my corner. I've got the 1070 running stock speeds along with stock speeds on my 2400G.
Alright, let me stop you there. So in this setup, I did have the 1070 running at stock speeds. But for the video I'm about to show, I decided to overclock the GPU and then I overclocked the CPU at 3.95 gigahertz. Just because at 4 gigahertz it wasn't too stable, so I thought 3.9 was fine. And then on the GPU, I think I had a 140 megahertz boost clock and then a 500 memory clock on the 1070. It was 1440p 4K optimized textures. Was all the settings I had gone with in the actual benchmark. Alrighty, thank you guys so much for watching. There will be a video soon on my vlog and the channel in general. That'll kind of give you guys an update of what all is exactly going on with everything. But if you did enjoy it, make sure to like button, share it, and subscribe, as I will be trying to do more tech-related videos. I don't know when that'll happen and stuff, but I'll try. Anyway, peace.